Round 8 of the FIM Motocross World Championship then brings us to Sardinia and the circuit of Riola Sardo. Calvin Verlanderen on pole for the first time in his career. And the Gavin van Venrooy Yamaha, just as we did in race 1, is getting quicker. We have a new race leader on lap 8, and it's Calvin Verlanderen once again. He wins the MXGP of Sardinia. What a day for Calvin Verlanderen.
The 9th round of the FIM Motocross World Championship brings us to Into Xanadu Arroyo Molinos on the outskirts of Madrid for the 3rd consecutive year. The track has been an instant hit with the riders thanks to its flowing layout and challenging jumps. In a season that's already served up plenty of drama and talking points, let's find out what happens next at the MXGP of Spain.
Don't forget to subscribe and you will receive a notification when anything new is posted on our channel. Right here. Enjoy!